Up next on our list here, we have Crypto.com, which is pretty much tied with Coinbase as far as which is the most popular crypto exchange. On Crypto.com, you're going to find more altcoins, or alternatives to Bitcoin, and these are smaller projects without as much legitimacy behind them. Think of these like you would small cap stocks. Yes, you could hit it big, but most of them are going to end up being worthless junk. But nonetheless, many still choose to speculate on these lesser known altcoins, and who knows, maybe it pays off. Crypto.com supports a growing list of over 400 different cryptocurrencies. They tend to have the largest catalog, and it's quite a bit more than what Coinbase and others are offering. But outside of just having the largest selection of digital assets, there's a couple of other key features that set them apart here too. In addition to crypto, they also support commission-free trading of stocks and ETFs with SIPC insurance up to $500,000. One of the most popular features, and my personal favorite, is the Crypto.com card that lets you spend your cryptocurrency holdings just like traditional money. The cards have no annual fees and even come with benefits such as cash back as well as rebates on services such as Spotify, Netflix, Airbnb, and more. In addition, you're also going to find derivatives available for trading here on Crypto.com, which let you trade based on the future price of a crypto without actually owning it. This is going to be for more advanced strategies though, and most casual users won't be diving into this. And just like with Coinbase, Crypto.com also offers a separate wallet app for those looking to have custody over their digital assets. The Crypto.com on-chain wallet is a self-custody wallet where you are in full control of your keys and your crypto, but as mentioned before, this comes with additional responsibilities. I'm actually going to be doing a full walkthrough soon on both the Coinbase and Crypto.com self-custody wallets, so make sure you subscribe and hit the bell for when that comes out. The last thing I want to mention here is the special welcome bonus. If you sign up using my link, which is going to be ryanoscribner.com/crypto, you can earn up to $500 in crypto rewards by completing specific missions in the first 90 days. You can also just use referral code Ryan24 when you sign up, and I also have a full Crypto.com tutorial I'll put in the corner for later.